Good day folks, welcome to my channel with the content full of food, travel, how-tos and lifestyle. And today we are going to learn on how to create or make a personal text design watermark logo from looking like this to this. We are going to use a PixArt, and if you haven't downloaded the app, just go to Google Store for Android users and App Store for an iOS users. So now we're going to light touch the app and click on Start Editing. And once you're here, we're going to scroll down and click on this color background. When you hard press the screen, it would look like that. And now we are going to add the text that you want to. So press on text. You can definitely design your own design here. For example, mine is like that. And I'm just going to find the font that I like. So if you're going to slide here like this, then you can see the fonts. But if there's a crown beside the font, then you can't use it. That you have to pay for a subscriptions for that. So I'm looking for the free ones. And I choose this. And I'm also going to put another text below it, and it's gonna be the name of my channel. Like that there. And I would like to have more design. I'm going to select on sticker. But for you all, you can use anything here to design. Feel free to explore PixArt. So I'm just gonna click on sticker, and I love these circles. So I'm gonna drag that, make it like that here. I'm gonna drag this text kind of below, and then I'm gonna drag that like that there. And I'm going to add more to kind of light up my design here. Click on that. Can definitely design more of your own design. So I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna click this tower here like that there, and you have a choices. I'm going to duplicate that. Just gonna design it like that. And there you go folks. I'm happy with that design. And once you're happy, you can just click on apply. And then click on next. And then click on save. Download the photo so it would be saved on your device. Click on done. And when you go to your photos gallery, it will be there. So now after adding the channel art into my channel, my videos would look like this. And for those people who haven't checked out my how-tos videos regarding on PixArt tutorials, please check it out. I also put out how to add channel art on your YouTube channel and so much more. So please do check it out. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe to see more of my how-tos tutorials and for more of my contents like food, travel and lifestyle. Thank you so much. Have a good day.